One-step equations. In solving equations, one of the things that can help you remember what to do next is learning to read the problem aloud. So in this case, I would say x minus 3 equals 9, emphasizing here the minus. Because equations work with inverse operations, I said x minus 3, so I'm going to go ahead and add 3, the opposite. Those cancel. X equals 12. And that's it for this particular question. In this case, all I have are variables, but everything works the same way. I'm going to start by reading the question. X minus y equals z. Solve for x. So I need for the x to be left by itself. And sometimes I color this over so that'll happen. Now I'm going to read the first part again. X minus y. So again, this tells me to do the inverse on both sides. So we finish with x equals z plus y. We did solve for x, just like we wanted to. In this one, we don't want to read it as 4w anymore. We want to read it as 4 times w equals 12. Solve for w. Again, this is important. 4 times w will tell us that to solve this, we need to divide. So 4 times w, divide by 4 on both sides. These cancel. W equals 3. Last one. A times W equals B. Solve for W. Again, we read the first part as A times W. So we're going to go ahead and take this, and we need to leave the W by itself. So that tells us that the A is the piece that needs to go. So dividing by A on both sides, those cancel. W is equal to B divided by A. Now get the practice sheet on solving one-step equations.